Hi, I'm Steve Richardson and welcome to my latest video. Many years ago, I worked for a law firm that had a legal hotline. You could call that hotline and get a free consultation over the phone on your matter. Call would come in, the receptionist would fill out a form with the person's name, address, telephone number, contact information, and then the form would go to you and you would take your notes on it for the consultation. Now, sometimes you'd get a client out of it. Great. But most times you'd finish up the call, hang up, complete your notes on the form, hand that form to a secretary who would then prepare what we called a friendly letter. A letter that would be mailed out to them saying, thank you for contacting us. It was a pleasure speaking with you, but understand that our legal opinion is very limited based on the information we had and were given during the phone call. A more complete investigation of your case may change that. Basically, a CYA letter to the caller. But then that was it. The form would get filed away. And the philosophy of the firm's owners were that, well, if you give them a free consultation on this one, they'll remember you and call you when they have a great case. And the problem with that is that doesn't work. They're not going to remember you. They'll remember that they talked to a friendly person at some law firm and they were helpful or they weren't helpful or whatever. And they may remember the call, but they're not going to remember your name, telephone number, the name of the firm, anything. We forget that stuff. We move on. So they're not going to contact you when they have a great case. Now, I'm not trying to pick on this particular law firm. A lot of firms do this. They do a consultation, they get the information, they don't take the case, and that's the end of it. But you have a great resource there. You have a lead. It may not be a lead for that case. They may have gotten into an auto accident and the damages weren't that great, the liability was unclear, that sort of thing. But maybe they need an estate plan, right? Maybe they need help with their business. There may be other legal services you can provide to them and market to them. Or they may just have a future need. Maybe a couple years down the road, they get into an auto accident. That is a good case. So once you have that lead, put it into some sort of contact relationship management system or CRM and stay in touch with that person. Send them an email or emails over time. Continue to reach out to them. Have an e-newsletter at least once a month. I send one out twice a month. So at least twice a month, the people on my list are hearing from me. And they're more likely to remember me because all my emails have my contact information in it. These leads are a great resource. They may not have a case down the road, but maybe their spouse, children, neighbor, friend, coworker has a case that you might handle, and they will remember you because of these emails and the way you nurtured them as a lead, and they may refer work to you. But you got to stay in front of them. You got to nurture that lead. You got to give them information, not a sales email every 2 weeks, but something that is interesting to them, something they enjoy reading, something that might be helpful to them, that will keep you top of mind. So if you don't have a CRM system, get one. Put your leads into it and nurture those leads. Believe me, those seeds, once planted, will grow, and so will your firm. So that's it for this video. I hope you got something actionable out of it. And if you enjoy these videos, please be sure to subscribe and also click the bell icon to get notifications when new videos come out. I usually do one once a week. And that said, enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.